Hello guys, welcome on Coding Brain. Today in this video tutorial I intro the machine learning Django based gender predictor on name dataset. First of all, importing the required library, load our dataset in a data cleaning portion for filling the missing values. After this, replacing f with 0 and male with 1. We extract the future from dataset using counter vectorizer, then spelled our dataset into a training and testing. For training, I use naive classifier for classify. Our model achieves 63% accuracy, and then make a simple prediction system on our achieved accuracy. After this, save our model using job libraries. Let's move on the pie chart for exploring the Django side. First of all, we open the views file, load the CSV file, spelled into a feature and label. Feature our on X side and label is Y side. Then using vectorization for feature extraction. Then load our saved model. Then we use post method for retrieving data from the form. After this, open the Python terminal. For open the project directory, hit the command cd Django. And that after this, just hit another command, Python use.py on server. Hit the command. The system takes a minute to run the server. Open the localhost, just hit on this link. Put your name and then click on this button. You have entered this input and our output is this name used for mail. If you like amazing project like this, then subscribe my YouTube channel.